Hey guys, it's Prachi and today I'm going to talk about how to smell perfect on your first special date. You know, with a special crush who has finally asked you out. Now personally guys, I think that smelling good is such a beautiful, such an elegant way of making an impression. I mean, when you dress well, when you wear makeup, of course, that's great. But then it's very much out there. Whereas when you smell right, it has a very subtle form of creating an impression. And also it's about the feel good factor, you feel so confident. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can smell good the whole day and just share some perfume recommendations with you so that you don't have to dig a huge hole in your pocket and get just what you require. So I'm going to start by talking about the perfect scent, and this particular one called Enchanter has been my favorite since I was a teenager. Now if I were to talk about myself, I developed a fetish for perfumes when I was very young, I used to see my mom wearing perfumes all the time, and whenever she wasn't looking, I would just go and try out her perfumes, and oh my god, I can't even tell you the mess I created. And then when I grew up to be a teenager and started earning my own pocket money, I still remember one of the first things I wanted was to start making my own perfume collection just like my mom. And that's when I picked up Enchanter, which happens to be one of my favorite perfumes till date. It has such a beautiful rich scent, and even today you can get this perfume for ₹750, which if you compare with like those really expensive luxurious brands which this smells like, it's actually very affordable, Now fast forward into the time when I went on my first date with my now husband Gaurav. I remember I kind of walked into this space. It wasn't even a room, it was an open air cafe, and I walked into this room, and the first thing, like literally the first thing that Gaurav said the moment he saw me, he's like I've never met a woman who smells like a soft breeze. And I was like, oh my god, this guy can flirt. Because till then, me and Gaurav had only been fighting. Like the first time when I met him, I was fighting. Second time I met him, I was fighting. In fact, till that point, I was not even sure if it was supposed to be a date or if it was just, another round of meeting up to fight. But for me, that was like a very big moment, because that's when I realized that, this guy can be actually sweet, he can actually be romantic. And yeah, even today, like, whenever I have a special date with Gaurav or we're celebrating some anniversary, it's like every milestone, every special day in a relationship, I make sure to wear this perfume because it holds such a special place in my heart. And it's just something that kind of connects all those memories so well. So long story short, sorry guys, I kind of just went out of track over there talking about my story. Long story short, if you're looking for a nice perfume to wear on your first date or just for a nice romantic date, Enchanter is a perfume that you can give a try. They have a lot of perfumes in the series. They have charming, they have romantic, they have enticing, they have a lot of things. Plus they have lotions, they have body mist. So you can just pick up whatever works for you, whatever is your requirement for the day, and just go ahead with it. Next I'm going to talk about how to use these perfumes, because every perfume, every type of scent has a very different way of application. So first I'm going to talk about Eau de Toilette. I hope I'm pronouncing it right guys. I've been checking the pronunciation on my phone before making this video. Yes, an honest confession. So I'll just write the word over here in the video so you know what I'm saying. First I'm going to talk about how to use those. So the number one rule of using this thing is to apply this on your hair and on your clothing. A lot of people tend to use it on their skin, on various pulse points, and well, that obviously doesn't work because that's not how you're supposed to use it. Next I'm going to talk about body mist, which apart from being much easier in pronunciation is also very easy to apply. Just like a regular perfume, you have to apply it on your pulse points. The most highly recommended pulse points are behind the ears, on your neck, and on your hands, and also behind your knees if you want to use it over there. And now talking about how to make the scent last. Now most of this I've already covered in the previous point, but just to highlight the main aspects of this better, make sure that all the things that you apply belong to the same range so that the scents can actually complement each other. Number two, when you're applying the lotion, make sure you apply it immediately after the bath. This will help the skin absorb the lotion better and keep the scents holding in much longer. And always make sure to use a body mist. This will especially help you a lot if you tend to sweat a lot, or if you're going, say dancing later when you are going to sweat a lot. It'll just help in absorbing all the body odor better. And most importantly, don't forget to keep an Eau de Toilette. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong again. Keep it in your purse and just spray it like once or twice whenever you feel like it, whenever you can just sneak your way into the ladies' room to just keep the scent lasting longer. Also guys, I'm holding an Instagram giveaway for Enchanter, so you can check out my Instagram link in the description box below to win one of these products yourself. So guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any tips of your own to share, or if you have used Enchanter before, what your experience has been, and what feedback you would like to share. Also, if you have any queries or if you really like this video, which I'm sure you do, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel and follow me on my social media for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. So first I'm going to talk about Audi toilet.
Not toilet. Toilet.
Toilet. Beat. No, I'm just nervous. Or beat the Audi toilet. Never mind, I'm not going to say
Charging
this.
जा रहा है यार.
Huh?
Charging खत्म हो रहा है.
Charging खत्म हो रहा है. Whereas when you smell right, it makes a very subtle, Whereas when you smell right, the absolute #1 rule for this, guys, is that all the things that you apply, the body lotion, the legs, or the toilet.
The legs.
Oh, the toilet. Recording on it?
On it.
Oh, okay. Oh, the toilet. I forgot the pronunciation again.